Curtain call controversy. Trumps met with boos and applause at Kennedy Center. The lights dimmed. The orchestra swelled, but it wasn't just the music of Les Miserables filling the Kennedy Center on Wednesday, June 11th. President Donald Trump and First Lady Melania Trump were met with a striking mix of boos and applause as they arrived for the musical's opening night. Videos shared on X captured the divisive reception as the couple made their way to their seats. They weren't the only political figures in attendance. Vice President J.D. Vance and his wife, Asha Chilukuri Vance, were also present. The Vances are no strangers to a less than warm welcome at the Kennedy Center, having been booed themselves in March during a National Symphony Orchestra performance. But the audience's reaction was just one layer of the night's drama. The cast itself was notably different. Reports from May 7th indicated that at least 10 of the 12 actors in Les Miserables opted not to perform on the night the Trumps were in the audience. Sources revealed that cast members were given the choice to sit out, and many, including both ensemble and starring roles, took it. This protest emerged after President Trump, early in his second term, made significant changes to the Kennedy Center's leadership. He appointed himself as chairman, replacing much of the existing woke leadership with a new board of conservative supporters. Richard Grenell, a member of his administration, was also installed as the center's president and interim director. Grenell addressed the protest directly, stating, "The Kennedy Center will no longer fund intolerance. Any performer who isn't professional enough to perform for patrons of all backgrounds, regardless of political affiliation, won't be welcomed." He went further, suggesting the center might even out those vapid and intolerant artists to warn producers and inform the public about shows that have political litmus tests. His aim, he said, is for the Kennedy Center to be a place where people of all political stripes sit next to each other and never ask who someone voted for, but instead enjoys a performance together. A revolutionary anthem and a peculiar fan. The irony of the Trumps attending Les Miserables wasn't lost on many. President Trump has a peculiar history with the musical, particularly its iconic protest anthem, "Do You Hear the People Sing?" In February, the U.S. Army chorus performed the song at the 2025 White House Governor's Ball. Trump has also incorporated the song into his 2016 and 2024 presidential campaigns, with The Guardian reporting in 2022 on his bizarre choice to blast the song before his 2024 candidacy announcement. This choice is often seen as odd, given that the song's lyrics are sung from the perspective of French revolutionaries rising up against a powerful, corrupt ruling class. Lines like, "Do you hear the people sing?" Singing the song of angry men, is the music of the people / who will not be slaves again, stand in stark contrast to the president's political position. After Trump's use of the song in 2016, producer Sir Cameron McIntosh and the co-creators of Les Miserables publicly expressed their disapproval. They clarified that Trump was never given permission to use the song for his political agenda. While acknowledging the musical's widespread cultural impact and its adoption by various political and social movements, they emphasized that their permission was never granted for its use in political events.